warehouses is really the place where all of our products are coming together before we ship everything to our customer. So looking at the impact of packaging in the warehouse was essential. And one of the first things that actually we find out this is that we are using tremendous amount of plastics everywhere, from void fill to tape to shrink wrap, you name it. So we really had a specific focus on plastic and on plastic consumables because this is where we have a lot of opportunities.
The distribution center in Sweden is one of 5 key distribution centers we have globally, and we ship to customers in over 75 different countries.
The high ambition of Cytiva and DHL hands-on view makes a great combination to deliver such a project.
Here, for example, in Sweden, we are looking at 82% plastic reduction in our consumables, which represents 7 tons of plastics per year. But what's more important with this project is that this is replicable. So what is true in Sweden will be true in our warehouse in Singapore, in the US, in China, in Japan. So we want to replicate and accelerate.